Hi guys, welcome to Morning with Pam. For today's menu, I'm going to prepare sponge gourd Eromba with stinky beans. So in local dialect, in mother tongue, we call this shepot. And also I have some stinky beans here. Nowadays it's out of season now, so it's becoming all ripe. So you see, we can break it easily, and inside we have the seeds. It's sweet. And also I'll be making the Eromba with this Naga King chili, some dry fish, and this is fermented fish nari. With that being said, let's start preparing. First, I'm going to scrape the sponge gourd this way. If you prefer peeling, you can peel it. For me, I'll do it this way. So one by one, I'm going to scrape it. Then after that, along with that stinky bean seed, I'll boil it. And then I'll mix all the other fermented fish, dry fish, and we'll mash it all together. Guys, you can add potato if you like. Recently I tried this recipe and I find it interesting and it was good, so I just want to share with you all guys. So we are done here with peeling and scraping of this too. So let's start boiling. 이싱새 샤우버하고래 그게 돈킥당 하부게 그것이 모체 합철렸어. 그거 영착 무루수. I'll add the dry fish now. Guys, let's check whether the tori is cooked or not. Oh, it's soft. In Hindi, we call this sponge gourd tori. So it's soft now. I'm going to add some Asian chives. This. We'll cover the lid and cook for 3 minutes. It's well cooked now. The combination of dry fish and the Asian chives is amazing. It's so good. We'll keep it aside this for a while, let it cool down a bit. Then after that, I'll start frying fermented fish and we'll make the chutney. Let's start making the chutney. Here's the Naga King chili and fermented fish and little bit of salt, dry fish, and let's grind all this together. I'm not going to add garlic because I've put some Asian chives while boiling, so that is enough. I'm going to add the tori first and we'll mash it, and after that we'll add the stinky bean seed. All the toris are properly nicely mashed. I'm going to add the stinky bean seed. Guys, if you want to make the gravy a bit thicker, then you can add like small size of potato, or else it's an optional. I'm going to add some fresh tuning cork leaf. This is from my kitchen garden. If you don't like these leaves, you can add some freshly cut onion and mix it and you can have it. So my tori and stinky bean seed Eromba is done. Guys, my Eromba is done. Look at this. It smells so good. Let's try first. It's spicy. I really love the smell of dry fish and Asian chives. It's so good. And I have some cucumber salad, so I'm going to have this all together. Guys, try this recipe. You won't get disappointed. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Always eat, enjoy, and stay healthy. See you soon.